Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to group items in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to group multiple elements in Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To group items in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. I am going to group these elements in this design. You can group any text, pictures, or elements. Now, select the items you want to group together. You can select by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each item one by one. Once all the items are selected, look at the pop-up toolbar and click on Group. You can also right-click on the selected items and choose Group from the pop-up menu. Now, your items are grouped together. You can move, resize, or edit them as a single unit. This feature is helpful for organizing multiple elements in your Canva design.